thing too, we out here, Coffee and Cars, Remington Park, November the 1st, November the 4th, first Saturday of the month. 5.0, Mustang Sally. Check this out, Option. Ooh, that's nice. That's a beauty right there.
Don't worry about it. There you go. You ain't making a payment. You know. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I saw. Well, the guy who wrote this, his girlfriend came out here with a turbo sticker. So.
Check this out, guys, right behind me. Look at that thing.
That's beautiful.
What's going on, brother? Oh, I like that. That's nice. I can see you in one of them, Option.
I would love it.
And ain't even got any drugs. He's a high boy.
He's a high boy. Sitting on top of that frame.
I like
Sitting on top of that frame. He and I got two different meanings right there.
Yeah, I understand that.
You know, my wife told me, she said, oh, we only got so much room in the garage.
Yeah, I've had that conversation with my wife a few times.
You want it? You got to sell something.
Oh.
She told me I need to finish projects before I start projects. You know how that goes. I got two in the garage right now that can finish. I got to get my grandson out here one day because he's a car nut. Him and Grandma, they love cars. They love that bed more.
Oh. check out that SRT. That's the SRT.
Well, that you've got to figure out.
$392. There you go.
She didn't understand how I could get off work at 3 in the morning. And this before I even worked. Get up, have my car ready. I'm talking cars.
The thing that I remember when I was younger was when we would get up.
Guys, I've been out here since 7 o'clock. It is 9:45 out here. I've been out here for a little bit. Got a lot of content for you guys, man. When I got out here, it was dark. You'll see in my first video, it was dark. I hope you guys subscribe to me and share my videos, please, with others. Let them check me out. I want to grow my channel some more if I can do more. And I appreciate you guys, man. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you want to see. You know, I'm tongue tied. I can't talk. I'm too cold. My tongue done got cold.
You're interested in looking for a particular car.
But you guys share my videos. Leave some comments. Check out this Denali right here. That's nice. Not fast, just loud. I like that. Yeah, leave me some comments, guys. Give me some thumbs up. I appreciate it. And I appreciate you guys so much, man. My subscribers and potential subscribers. 5.0, there you go.
I'm thinking $200 to pay for the gas to get it back to the city.
There goes Night Rider.
There you go. What's up? What is that thing name in Night Rider? Kit?
No, Kit. You look
Kit,
like Kit.
Kit. Yeah, Kit.
GTA?
Yeah, it is. Flashback. gone finally.